Bitcoin is squeezing immensely on the Bollinger Bands. We can expect a major breakout coming very soon. Of course, we're forming this major bull flag on Bitcoin, and Ethereum against Bitcoin is increasing. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, looking at the Bitcoin price over the last day, nothing major has happened. We're still trending very sideways, very much boring. Of course, yesterday we had a quick retest of the support here at the bottom at 116,000. But other than that, still forming nothing but just going sideways, waiting for the big breakout to come. Looking at the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, yes, Ethereum is still going up and is outperforming Bitcoin at the moment. It's been doing so already over the last 1 to 2 weeks approximately. And yeah, we're actually hitting this major resistance here at the moment at this level here. But once we break through from there, I strongly believe that we're going to go higher. This is going to be approximately a 15% increase from this moment to the next that we can expect altcoins and Ethereum to go higher from. Of course, let's look at the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands are squeezing, and whenever they are squeezing, this means that we can expect a major breakout to be coming soon. We can see this in the history if we go back a bit, and we can see here, for example, the Bollinger Bands have been squeezing, and immediately after that, the Bitcoin price has surged higher. And yes, this is because Bitcoin is right now not doing anything interesting. The buying and selling is converging, and we are going to be expecting a major breakout very soon, all in the Bollinger Bands. Looking at the current flag that we're forming, the bull flag, we can see that it's a clear bull flag. And if we choose the target, we put this line here on the top, and we can see a target of approximately $127,000 per Bitcoin. Of course, if we do go lower, which can happen, I would not be surprised if we see a price of around here 110,000, retesting this major resistance line here at the bottom. Other than that, let's look at the liquidity very briefly. We can see there's liquidity above and below, so I wouldn't be surprised if we can go either direction. It seems like there's more liquidity above the current price at around $120,000 per Bitcoin, but there's also some liquidity left at the bottom. And yeah, a major move is going to happen very soon, as we can see from the Bollinger Bands. Next up, let's have a look at the weekly chart of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is, in my opinion, in a clear bull market. I mean, we are in a bull market, and it's going to remain in a bull market as long as we stay above this line, which we've been stayed above for the last few months already. But once we go down, I believe that's it. The bull market is over. Also, it's important to note here on the top side, we can see this major resistance, which we've been hitting a few times already. And every time we've been hitting it, Bitcoin has gone down. It has happened here, it has happened here, and currently we're hitting it also. So this, in my opinion, means there's not much time left for the bull market. We are clearly way above the price of the last top of Bitcoin, which was at 69,000. If we calculate it right now, we can see that we are already, 1 second, we are already 80% above the previous bull market top, which in my opinion is a crucial point, and we should be considering to taking profit soon. Of course, I'm betting on the major rotation of money going from Ethereum now into larger caps and altcoins. And therefore, if we look here at the Ethereum chart on its own, it's currently trying to break out from this monthly resistance here. It's forming this major triangle pattern. And once we do manage to break out from here, we can expect the price to go even higher, and thereby confirming this rotation, the path to all season. Finally, let's have a quick look at the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart here, and the green lines show us the last stage of the market, and we are currently in the last stage of the bull market. And always in the last stage of the market, the price has surged the most. Ethereum against Bitcoin has surged the most, meaning we are now in the last stage of the market and confirming that we are going to most likely see this rotation of money from Bitcoin to Ethereum and then to larger cap altcoins. And yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.